If you're interested in becoming a business analyst, or you would like to advance your career in this field, or would like to take on leadership role in business analytics, hopefully this video can help you. In this video, I'll break down all the required and must-have skills for a business analyst. First, let's talk about the technical skills that you need to have as a business analyst. As a business analyst, you're working with data. You need to know how to extract the data from different databases. You need to know how to visualize them, analyze them, and put them together. So the very first and must-have skill that you need to have is Excel. Whether you are in upper management or you're at the beginning level of your career as a business analyst, Excel is a must-have. The more advanced you are in Excel, the better you can perform your job. The second tool that you're going to be using a lot as a business analyst and you must know is SQL or SQL. That is for extracting the data. You need to know how you can write queries and extract your data from different databases. Next, at least one or two tools to create dashboards, such as Power BI and Tableau, which are the most common ones these days. Next skill is Python and or R. Anything that you can use to deal with large data sets and make automated analysis. And last technical skills I recommend is knowing any sort of CRM or ERP system, such as Salesforce, SAP, or Oracle. Make yourself familiar with these type of systems. Being a good business analyst is not only about knowing the tools and being able to read the data or extract the data. You must also have some business knowledge. We usually refer to it as domain knowledge, meaning you need to have some sort of knowledge about the field and the business that you're working in. For example, if you work for a bank or if you're doing a business analytics for banking industry, you need to be familiar with banking products such as accounts, checking accounts, saving accounts, business products, loans. What are the criteria to get a loan approved? What is the process to get that done? All of these will help you understand the data, and that business knowledge is something that will get you to the next level in your career. Additionally, each industry has its own KPI and metrics. So the more familiar you are with that business or industry, it is easier for you to understand those KPIs and metrics. Last but not least, soft skills. Soft skills are very important for business analysts. When we talk about soft skills, we usually cover communication, leadership, and management. But because soft skills are very important for business analysts, I would like to talk about them in a separate video. So stay tuned and watch future videos for soft skills for business analysts. And my last tip, whether you are in the field of business analytics or any other field, never stop learning. The more you learn, the more opportunities you will have.